Niasbona. Last week, Ilana, he was circulating pictures of him, making fun of him, bullying him how he looks. And it's hey, apparently, according to you guys. When will you guys learn? Stop being judgmental. Hi.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. So today South Africa is mourning the loss of legendary actor Siputla Siborodi. But as a tribute continued to pour in, many people on social media are also reflecting on something that happened just days before his passing. Last week, Siputla Siborodi became a trending topic after photos of him circulated online. Now, instead of celebrating his incredible career, many people focused on his appearance. Some claimed that he looked homeless, while others made harmful jokes about his weight and the way he looked. You guys, at the same time, there were also people who defended him. They reminded everyone that no one knows what another person is actually going through, and that judging someone based on a single photo is unfair, or based on the condition that they are at the time is very much unfair. Now, after news of his passing, social media has taken a very different tone. Across Facebook, X, TikTok, and Instagram, many South Africans are saying this tragedy should definitely remind us to be kinder to one another. Countless users are sharing messages urging people to stop body shaming, mocking others because of their appearances, and stop making jokes before knowing the full story. Many people have written that life is indeed short and should appreciate people while they're still alive instead of waiting until they are gone to celebrate them. Others have admitted they regret the comment they made when those photos first went viral and circulated on social media. They say this has been a wake-up call about the power of words and how quickly online criticism can spread. Whether someone is famous or not, words definitely do matter. A comment typed in a few seconds can stay with someone for a very long time, while we may never know how a person feels behind closed doors. We all have the opportunity to choose kindness, you guys. Now, this moment has become bigger than one actor. It has started an important conversation about empathy, respect, and the way we treat people online. Instead of judging someone because they look different, perhaps we should ask if they are okay instead of making someone the subject of jokes. Perhaps we should show a little bit of compassion. Siputla Siborodi's legacy is definitely not defined by the viral photos from last week. His legacy is defined by decades of excellence, unforgivable performance, and the joy he brought to millions of South Africans. Please do check out the rest of this video and engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
Bafowethu, so this month wa July nka ro rutela ka mawaza, nka ro rutela ka matrikwane o re shapa ka tswafa re loser di stars net iso mo South Africa. So re fetso kra di bad news hore Siputla Sebogodi e lo reng ke yana legendary actor ka mara kampa generation ba mitsi as Kenneth Mashaba o tlohile go lefatsheng. Go botsa ka di legend di stars tse ba lone re hotse re ba lebelletse on our TV screen ba re entertainer. You know, the role e ba mo fileng yona ya Kenneth Mashaba was so brilliant, and the guy executed that role 100%. Antsabitsa dineho a re dini. You know, we grew up looking up to these guys, or one day we wanna be on TV, one day re go ba on screens just like them. Re fetso kra di bad news or na betlela diabetes. So na banong o tlohile mo lefatsheng via hore o paletswe. The fight has been too long, so the guy o re shihile. So may his soul rest in peace, and family high e kry comfort through these difficult times. We just keep losing since the year 2026 e thoma bafuthu. Taba tse monate ke tsona tse re sa kopaneng le tsona. So the legendary actor moya wa hae o re balega khotso. We have learned a lot from yena. He was a good role model. A lot of people, they are in the acting industry ba hotse ba lebella such legends on our TV screen. So may his soul rest in peace bafuthu. Ho popota ho mesifi.
Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kuma-screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Guys, it is with great sadness that we announce the passing of Ubaba Sebutla, who was known for his numerous roles on television. Kuthiwa ushone izolo ebusuku ngomhla ka-15 July 2026, and his passing is related to diabetes. We are sending our utmost condolences to his family, and may his soul rest in peace. Sizomkhumbula as South Africans, as the whole country, as the whole world. Sizomkhumbula for all the great work that he has left behind. Yeah, man. Yes. This is so sad. We're sending our deepest condolences.
The South African film and TV industry is reeling with shock following the passing of veteran actor Ubaba Usiputla Sebokgodi. His family released a statement this afternoon announcing his passing. He passed away at the age of 63. According to the family statement, he died on the evening of the 15th of July 2026 following complications related to diabetes. Ubaba Usiputla Sebokgodi is known for his remarkable acting career on shows including Generations and many more other shows that he appeared on. His passing is really devastating, and it cuts deep within the film and TV space in SA. May his soul rest in peace, and thank you very much for watching this video.
Another legend has passed away. Sebutla Sebokgodi is no more. Many of us know him by his character name, Nkwesheng, Kenneth Machawa. It has been confirmed that he has passed away today, not so long ago. The confirmation was not so long ago. Hey man, this life is way too short.